Imagine a fish so cute it looks like a cartoon balloon, but inside it hides one of the ocean's deadliest secrets. The pufferfish, also known as the blowfish, is a true master of defense. When threatened, it inflates its body by rapidly gulping water, or sometimes even air, making itself appear several times larger than normal. This sudden transformation can scare off predators who are looking for an easy meal. But size isn't the only trick up the pufferfish's fins. Many species carry a deadly poison called toxin, a substance so powerful it's up to 1,200 times more toxic than cyanide. Just one pufferfish can contain enough poison to kill 30 adult humans. Yet strangely, some cultures consider it a delicacy. So next time you see a pufferfish, remember, behind that adorable balloon-like face hides one of the ocean's most fascinating and dangerous creatures. If you enjoyed learning about the pufferfish, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing ocean facts.